Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lecture we will discuss one of the most important technologies used in modern navigation, satellite communication, IoT systems, and autonomous vehicles, the Global Positioning System, commonly known as GPS. GPS is a satellite-based radio navigation system that provides precise information about location, velocity, and time anywhere on Earth. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand times what GPS technology is, times the principle of trilateration used for positioning, times the three main segments of GPS architecture, times the role of satellites, control stations, and receivers, times and real-world applications in IoT, transportation, robotics, and geospatial systems. So let us begin. Introduction to GPS. The Global Positioning System, also called Navsatar GPS, was originally developed by the United States Department of Defense for military navigation and targeting applications. Later, the system was made available for civilian and commercial use worldwide. GPS works by using a constellation of satellites orbiting the Earth that continuously transmit radio signals containing precise timing and orbital information. A GPS receiver on the ground collects signals from multiple satellites and uses this information to determine its exact position on Earth. For accurate positioning, the receiver must maintain a clear line of sight with at least 4 satellites. This allows the system to calculate times latitude, times longitude, times altitude, times receiver clock correction. This is why GPS is capable of providing precise three-dimensional positioning. Principle of GPS positioning trilateration. The core principle used in GPS positioning is called trilateration. Trilateration determines the location of a receiver by calculating its distance from multiple satellites. Each satellite transmits a signal containing the exact time at which the signal was sent. When the receiver receives this signal, it compares the transmission time with the reception time. Since radio signals travel at the speed of light, the distance to the satellite can be calculated using the equation. Distance is equal to speed of light times time delay. Because the speed of light is approximately 3 times 10 meters per second, even a tiny timing error can produce a large position error. Therefore, GPS requires extremely precise timing, which is achieved using atomic clocks installed on the satellites. When a receiver calculates its distance from one satellite, it knows it lies somewhere on a sphere around that satellite. With 2 satellites, the possible location becomes the intersection of 2 spheres. With 3 satellites, the receiver can determine a 2-dimensional position. However, to correct clock errors and obtain a 3-dimensional position, signals from at least 4 satellites are required. GPS system architecture. The GPS system consists of 3 major segments: times space segment, times control segment, times user segment. Each of these segments plays a critical role in the operation of the GPS system. Space segment, satellite constellation. The space segment consists of a constellation of GPS satellites orbiting the Earth. Currently, there are more than 30 operational GPS satellites. These satellites orbit the Earth at an altitude of approximately 20,200 kilometers in medium Earth orbit, MEO. The satellites are arranged in 6 orbital planes, ensuring that at least 4 satellites are visible from any location on Earth at any time. Each satellite contains high-precision atomic clocks, typically rubidium or cesium clocks, which provide extremely accurate timing signals. The satellites continuously broadcast navigation messages that include times satellite position information known as ephemeris data, times orbital parameters, times satellite clock corrections, times precise timestamp signals. These signals are transmitted in the L-band microwave frequencies, which can penetrate clouds, rain, and atmospheric conditions. Control segment ground monitoring network. The control segment consists of ground-based monitoring stations responsible for managing the GPS satellite constellation. The central control facility is the Master Control Station, located at Screever Space Force Base in the United States. The control segment performs several critical functions. Times tracking the satellites in orbit. Times monitoring satellite health and performance. Times correcting orbital parameters. Times synchronizing satellite clocks. Times uploading navigation data to satellites. Ground monitoring stations continuously measure satellite signals and transmit correction data to maintain high accuracy and system reliability. User segment GPS receivers. The user segment includes all devices that receive GPS signals and compute position. Examples include Times smartphones, Times vehicle navigation systems, Times aircraft navigation equipment, Times marine navigation systems, Times IoT tracking devices, Times surveying instruments. A GPS receiver works by capturing signals from multiple satellites. The receiver performs signal demodulation, extracts the navigation message, and calculates the time of arrival of the signals. Using trilateration algorithms, the receiver solves 4 unknown variables: times latitude, times longitude, times altitude, times receiver clock bias. Modern receivers are highly optimized and can perform these calculations within milliseconds. GPS signals and timing accuracy. One of the most important aspects of GPS is precise timing. GPS satellites broadcast signals containing extremely accurate timestamps generated by atomic clocks. Even an error of 1 microsecond can cause a positioning error of approximately 300 meters. Therefore, the GPS system constantly corrects satellite clocks and synchronizes time across the network. GPS timing is also used in many critical infrastructure systems, such as Times telecommunications networks, Times power grid synchronization, Times financial transaction timestamping. This demonstrates that GPS is not only a navigation system but also a global timing infrastructure. Applications of GPS technology. GPS has become a fundamental technology used across many industries. In navigation systems, GPS enables real-time route guidance and location tracking. In logistics and transportation, it supports fleet management and asset tracking. In IoT systems, GPS modules are used for remote monitoring, environmental sensing, and smart city applications. In autonomous vehicles and robotics, GPS provides accurate localization for path planning and navigation. In agriculture, GPS supports precision farming techniques such as automated tractor guidance and crop monitoring. In surveying and mapping, high-precision GPS receivers provide centimeter-level positioning accuracy. These applications show how GPS has become a critical component of modern digital infrastructure. Future of GPS and GNSS technology. The future of satellite navigation is evolving rapidly. New generations of satellites, such as GPS-3, provide improved accuracy and stronger signals with better resistance to interference. Modern receivers increasingly support multi-constellation navigation, integrating signals from other satellite systems such as Times GLONASS from Russia, Times Galileo from the European Union, Times BeiDou from China. Combining multiple satellite systems improves positioning accuracy and reliability. Another important development is sensor fusion, where GPS is combined with Times inertial measurement units, Times computer vision systems, Times artificial intelligence algorithms. This allows accurate positioning even in challenging environments such as urban areas or indoor spaces. Thank you for watching this lecture.